Hello and welcome back to Digital Assets Daily. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you are in your corner of the world. A lot of exciting news in the sense of, I feel we're getting closer. And why do I think that? Well, we have the WHO proposes use of digital payments in the face of the spread of the coronavirus. The WHO is the World Health Organization. And according to media reports, a WHO spokesperson said in an interview that people should use non-contact payment technology as soon as possible, which in the eyes of many analysts and experts opens up important spaces and opportunities for digital asset. What is the best way to make a non-contact payment with digital assets and cryptocurrencies? Again, here we have the banking must provide financial relief in times of economic stress. This all connects back to the CV and to the global liquidity crisis. And as we scroll down, there are some interesting things that they wrote in this article too. Dozens of ways to help consumers. Some examples: the ability to defer mortgage and other loan repayments for extended periods of time, access to cash and fixed-term savings accounts without early termination fees, temporarily increase in credit and borrowing limit, elimination of cash advanced fees, simplified digital personal loan application process, increase in cash withdrawal limits, reimbursement of overdraft and NSF fees if funds are redeposited within 1 week. And again, what can help these banks? ODL. Also, too, when we get into the Esma recommends the contingency actions. It's probably the best way to word that for YouTube. The Esma is the European Securities and Markets Authority. As we get into this, they have, they have a board of supervisors discussing examining the market situation and contingency measures taken by supervised entities, as well as making the following recommendations to financial market participants. In the business continuity planning, the market disclosure, and the financial reporting, and the fund management, ESMA, in coordination with NCAs, continues to monitor developments in financial markets as a result of the situation and is prepared to use its powers to ensure the orderly functioning of markets, financial stability, and investor protection. And again, what is the best way for that financial stability is ODL. Tax season 2020. Trump officials consider extending April 15th tax filing deadline during the crises. Again, you pretty much know what we're discussing here if you're in the community. And if not, you can feel free to come back and look at your screen if you're unable to view it. Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin told the House Appropriations Committee on Wednesdays he would recommend pushing back the April 15th tax deadline in response to the crises. He thinks they can provide over $200 billion USD of liquidity into the economy by delaying certain tax payments, Mnuchin told the committee. And again, what are they trying to do? Boost and inject liquidity. And how can they fix that? ODL. With on-demand liquidity, it can fix all of these financial issues. And when it does, you know the price of XRP has to be extremely high. Quick thought I want to leave you with. It's not about having time. It's about making time. And again, that's why we are here, or majority of us are here as investors. Many of us are working so much that we don't have the additional time we would like to spend on ourselves or on our family, or even doing the things that we love, like our hobbies or our sports. But again, once our investments have their ROI, their return on the investment, as they're expecting by the end of the year, it depends on your percentages. I guess that gets tricky to make that statement. But depending on your percentages on where you're staking and where you're going to cash out what number makes your dreams come true, then it will be about making time. You'll have plenty of time to do anything that you like. And again, guys, this is not financial advice. It is for entertainment purposes only. And we'll catch you in the next one.